Welcome to the Introduction to Mongoose training series. This series of tutorials is an introduction to the Infor Mongoose framework. In this tutorial, we will present the who, what, when, where, and how of the Mongoose software toolset. We will also address the question of why Mongoose is the solution to use in building relational database applications. In this tutorial, we will be talking about what Mongoose is and why it was created, a little history behind Mongoose, the many purposes of the Mongoose framework, what the architecture design provides for you, and then in future tutorials, we will actually build a working application together. Whether you are building applications for resale or looking to maximize your IT resources for in-house application development, or wanting to quickly build an application in the cloud for your own use, Infor Mongoose provides a matchless set of features, both for you and for your customers and users. So, what is Mongoose, and why did we create it? Mongoose is a powerful development tool for relational database applications that enables rapid application development and deployment, maximizes the ability to adapt your software quickly and cost-effectively for emerging business requirements, and allows you to preserve and migrate your work automatically during upgrades, all while it minimizes the amount of program coding you need to do. The result is that you can be more productive, changes are easier to manage, and that means that you can more effectively manage your development costs. The Mongoose development framework has a proven history which began in 1996. The idea behind it at that time was to provide an associated ERP product with upgradable extensibility. In the years between 1998 and 2000, this framework received its name Mongoose and was sold as a software development tool on which were built and sold dozens of new applications. In 2001, Mongoose was folded back into the ERP software now known as Sightline and became the basis of many major changes in the Sightline 7 release. The year 2008 saw a complete rewrite of the Mongoose base code with virtual IDOs, a new application event system, and a move from C++COM to C#. Release 7 of Mongoose in 2010 saw another milestone with the introduction of web-based rendering of forms. Now, virtually any Sightline form could be rendered in a web browser environment. This milestone also saw Mongoose being launched again as an independent development platform and identified by our CEO Charles Phillips as the standard development platform within Infor. Most recently, in 2013, Release 9 of Mongoose introduced many new changes, including another code-based change and a fresh new look and feel. Today, Mongoose has expanded to become one of the core shared technologies at Infor. What were and are the design goals for the Mongoose framework? One key element of why Mongoose is the correct choice for relational database application development is the unique ability it provides to develop an application rapidly. This capability makes it an ideal choice for small, simple applications, but it also has the depth and power for large, complex enterprise software that makes the challenges of using relational database technology simpler and easier. Mongoose has a unique architecture that enables you to adapt and extend an application with minimal or no coding required. This allows for upgrades while preserving your changes. This is a critical capability for enterprise software. Mongoose also allows for the use of state-of-the-art technologies. Mongoose provides for easy integration with third-party applications. It provides a tool to build without getting in the way. Mongoose is easy to install, configure, and deploy. And a very powerful feature of Mongoose is its built-in monitoring and diagnostics capabilities. All of this leads to a rich user experience for the developer. This diagram illustrates some basic configurations possible with the Mongoose framework. One thing to notice here is that Mongoose works behind the scenes to provide a solid framework for your application. In later tutorials, we will talk about this architecture, how it works, and what it means to you as a Mongoose application developer. By minimizing program coding, user and customer changes automatically upgrade. Development is accelerated. Quality is increased through extreme code reuse, and your application is insulated from underlying technology changes. Since creating some new code is inevitable, Mongoose streamlines that process by enabling you to use familiar and standard technologies and tools, and by managing the persistence and deployment of the code you add. So what's next? In the next tutorial in this series, we will take a closer look at the Mongoose architecture topology, talk about system requirements, and discuss some options for configuring the Mongoose application environment. For more information, including more tutorials and complete documentation, visit our Mongoose portal at https://mongoose.infor.com/portal. Or feel free to contact us with your questions and comments at mongoose@infor.com. That's it for this tutorial. Until next time then, have a great Mongoose day.